Yo, what's up? It's Sunday, 12th of June, beautiful day, not much wind. I've done some stuff to the controller, let's go see. It's a bit like show and tell. Like I say, there's no wind coming in at the moment. I don't know why this meter says that. This meter, I've connected it in between the battery terminals at the back, comes through there, and then these two wires here connect to the batteries. There's two batteries. Excuse me, remember I've got 8 of these. So £25 each, so far so good. But there you have it, that is the main thrust of the upgrade, is that we've now got that. This wire inside here ended up getting disconnected again, which is no big deal. When I find my soldering iron, you can see it broken there. That's because movement of the case breaks it. I need to replicate this bodge over here. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool because theoretically this should record the maximum power made. Hasn't made anything today from what I'm aware of. But if it starts pumping out the juice, I'll let you know, and I'll put some close-up photos of the relay, etc. So yeah, this will definitely be appearing in a video as soon as we get some decent winds. Not much light in here. Yeah, but that's the controller upgrade, and I hope you like it and look forward to getting some serious wind and we can see it all working. Sweet!